Namaste. Myself, JVN Dr. Priya K. Pillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jayodhi Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to deal on the topic of Virejana Vyapat. As I explained previously, Virejana Vyapat is same like that of Vamana Vyapat. The complications arising due to underaction or overaction of the drug of Virejana due to the defect of drug or due to the defect of the attendant, the medicine, the physician, and the patient is called as Vyapada. Simply, Vyapada are the symptoms which are produced other than the Samyak Lakshanas causing harm to the patient and increasing the symptoms of the diseases. The word Vyapada originated from the root word Vyapad, meaning to fall away, to fall into misfortune. So, the word Vyapada indicates some meaning like destruction, ruin, death, or Sankata. Anyata Apati, according to Susruta Sutra. Charaka explained them as Atmana, that is distension of abdomen, Parikartika, gripping pain, Swava, excessive discharge, Hridgraha, cardiac spasm, Gatra Graha, spasm of lips, Jivadana, discharge of blood, Savibramsha, improper action of medication, Stamba, that is rigidity, Upadrava, serious afflictions, Klama, exhaustion. These are considered to be the 10 complications due to underaction or overaction of the drug due to the defect of attendant, the medication, the physician, or the patient. Susruta mentioned 15 complications, out of which Atmana, Jivadana, Hridayobasarana, Pratikartiga, Parisrava, Angagraha, Vibandha are common. Savashesha Aushadhatvam, Jeerna Aushadhatvam, Hina Dosha, Abahrudatva, that is movement of the humor in opposite direction, are different in Susruta, which are included in the causes of complications by Charaka. Vriddha Vagbada explained 12 complications having some different afflictions like Gradidatva, Gaurava, Doshotklesha, Dhadusrava, etc. Factors. First one is 4 elements which influence the occurrence of complaints during the process of Vamana are helper, the medicine, physician, and patient himself. Reference Charaga Siddhi 6 by 30. It is explained the Vamana Vyava previously. Before initiating any one of the processes in Panchakarma, Charaga wants physician to keep an eye on the aspect like dosha, aushadha, desha, kala, satmya, agni, sattva, vaya, and bela. If one fails to judge any of these objects, it will lead to vyapada as a result. While describing Vyapada or complication, Charaka categorized them into two broad divisions, that is Ayoga and Adiyoga. That means whenever any complication will arise, it will be due to either Ayoga or Adiyoga of the process influenced by other factors. 10 complications explained in Siddhisthana may be divided into these two broad categories, but Chakrapani ruled out the law of inclusion under these two by a remark in which he says it is not mandatory that these symptoms should be produced after Ayoga or Adiyoga of Vamana, but they may be produced as an Upadrava of the act. Later on, he blended them into two divisions, that is Ayoga or Adiyoga. Ayoga includes Atmana, Srava, Hridgraha, Angagraha, Kandvadi, Vibramsha, Upadrava, Klama. Atiyoga includes Parikartiga, Jivadana, and Vibramsha. Vibramsha includes Gudabramsha and Samnya Bramsha. Pradiloma Pravarti and its management. When purgatives are administered in Kaphodklesha Koshta or undigested previous meal or distaste in mouth or with very bad odor of the drug resulting in vomiting instead of bringing about Virejana, then repeat the drug after Snehana and Svedana. If it does not for the second time, Virejana need to not be repeated for third trial only when the person is so keen to receive the drug. Third trial may be undertaken. In case Snehana is inadequate, the patient is drug having lost its potency, it leads to ayoga and there will be lack of initiation of urge. This lead to Vibhramsha, Shvayadhu, Hikka, Samapramesha, Pindodveshtana, Kandu, Urisada, Vaivarnya, etc. These are managed with their symptomatic treatment. Usually, Tailabhyanga, Prastarasveda or Punavirejana are given or Gomutra Yukta Niroha followed by Jangala Mamsa can be given. Later, Tikshna Samshodhana can be tried. Rest of the other is same like that of Vamana Vyabhat and its Chikitsa. Thank you. Assignment is explain Virejana Vyabhat and its Chikitsa. Ashtakatpata Taila is mainly indicated in Urasthamba, Rekta Pitta, Jwara, none. This asked for Hyderabad PSC in the year 2001. Thank you. I hope you have understood the classes taken today. If you are having any queries, please do mention in the comment box below. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.